This is Honor X6, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So first step is to obviously find and launch the calendar app that you have. Then select, I've accidentally launched the calculator. So here's the calendar. Then select the date that you would like to create an event on. I'll go with the 30th of April per se. Then tap at the plus icon to your bottom right and fill out all the event details such as its name, location, time frames. You can also add more fields such as the field allows you to set this event as the reoccurring one or repetitive. Then you can set up your reminding or notifications preferences, set an alarm even, and then write a brief description about this event. Then save the changes, and in the calendar now, once I select the 30th of April, you can see that my event is being displayed right over here. By tapping on it, I'm, as you can see, checking the event details, and if you would like to delete it, just tap at the delete option from this drop-down menu. And now the event was successfully erased. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.